Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Samsung S25. Okay, so to factory reset our Samsung S25 we need to open up our settings. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the general management. Now scroll down again into the bottom until you find the reset. In here remember that all of your data will be lost from this device, so before doing that, if you want, of course you can create a backup if you want to restore your data in the future. But now we need to scroll down, and as you can see on the bottom we have factory data reset. We need to simply click on that. In here you can see what data will be erased from your device. In here you can see the list, and in here you have your accounts, and they will be also deleted from this device. Alright, now scroll down, click on reset, draw your pattern, release your finger, click on delete all. And now to move forward you need to verify using your Samsung account, so you need to type your password. Then click on OK. Oh, sorry, my bad, I typed the wrong password. Okay, click on OK. You can see shutting down. Now the screen went black, and now within a few seconds the phone will be turned on automatically, and the next thing you need to do is to set up your device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.